Doctor or roll cleaning blades are made from plastics, metals, and composite materials. They typically have a beveled edge, and care must be taken when handling. Doctor or roll cleaning blades are often coiled in a box for shipment. The coiling process puts stress on the blade, and care must be taken when opening the box. Let's review a few important blade handling safety tips to help protect against accidents. Store your blade inventory in a dry environment. Use level 5 cut-resistant gloves on both hands. If the blade is coated, avoid touching the unprotected coating when removing a blade from its packaging. To optimize safety, remove each blade from the box separately by placing the end of the blade on a bench or floor and carefully uncoil until it's laying flat. Use a minimum of 2 people to carry a blade and avoid dragging the blade on the ground. Dragging the blade on the floor can damage or knock off the blade tip and damage the blade pinning. Don't remove the blade edge protection prior to installation. When removing a used blade, be aware of the working edge. It may be extremely sharp. Remember to follow your company's safety procedures whenever working with Kadant products, and read all instructions completely before proceeding.